from Mr. Lokesh Katari. He'd like to understand what is the reason for not concentrating on automotive software companies, considering autonomous vehicles are the future. So companies like KPIT or Tata Elxsi. Uh, that's one part of the question. And the second is also, what are your views on the automotive battery manufacturers in India?
Probably take the second part of the question, and first part Ronak will answer it. So talking about the battery manufacturers, so obviously the industry is shifting towards electrification and lithium ion batteries. So we'll have to see how the existing players shift their infrastructure to the lithium ion batteries, and at the same time there will be newer players who will come in. So this space is evolving, and at the moment there is no definitive answer to that question. We'll watch this space and take a call on it as and when it.
Thanks, Raj. So I think if you look at companies in the automotive software space, it's a exploding category right now. There are not one or two companies, but 50 companies who are trying to come up with something in the autonomous software or level 1, level 2, level 3 automation. It's a space where there are a variety of companies available. Some are in the software engineering space, some are in the IT services space like engineering R&D services space, and some are in licensing products space. So to the extent of automotive software, maybe Waymo, which is a subsidiary of Google, we are invested through the Alphabet investment over there. But if you look at the long tail of companies out there, I think it's a space which is suitable right now for VC investing. And rather than looking at a company from basic product category point of view, I think it needs to mature a little bit in terms of generating cash flows, showing a trajectory of license sales, showing a trajectory of AMC. The product has to have acceptance. And if you see automotive standards, although they are trying to combine into standards across Europe, across America, across Japan, across Asia, it's not very standardized right now. So you cannot suddenly see all auto companies agreeing to a single standard of the way they want the infotainment systems to operate, the way they want to internal auto systems to be operated. So that's a market which is actually developing, and we watch it very closely. But I think I'll reserve my judgment right now as to which companies are emerging and which companies have arrived.
Yeah, Ronak already mentioned Waymo. We own Waymo via Google, and we own Suzuki, and we own the T DS TDGS TDS Gujarat battery plant in Gujarat set up by Denso, Toshiba, and Suzuki. So it's not necessary to own a specific company in that subsegment. So other questions have been asked: why don't you own insurance companies? We own Bajaj Holdings. We own Bajaj Insurance by that. People have asked, why don't you own brokerages or things like that? If you own ICICI Bank, we own a lot of those subsidiaries. Sometimes it is not necessary, or people have asked, why don't you own a credit card company like SBI cards? If you own HDFC Access and ICICI, you already have presence in the credit card space. So sometimes you have to look through the investee companies and what all they are doing.
Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.